Good day, ma'am. So today I will be presenting a case study about the success of Jollibee Foods Corporation and how it became a successful global fast food brand. So it highlights the company's strategies, leadership, and focus on Filipino culture that helped it grow and compete internationally. So first question. What entrepreneurial qualities did Tony Tan Kak Tiong demonstrate in building Jollibee Foods Corporation? Cite specific examples from the case. So, Tony Tan Kak Tiong demonstrated several important entrepreneurial qualities such as vision, innovation, risk-taking, resilience, and leadership. So, he started Jollibee nga gamay nga ice cream parlor sa Quezon City. But he had the vision nga mas dako ang oportunidad gani sa fast food business. So he took risks by competing with large international fast food chains entering the Philippine market. So imbis kopyahon ang foreign brands, napakita siya og innovation pinagi sa pagbuhat og pagkaon nga angay sa panlasa nato mga Pilipino. Like sa sweet style spaghetti o fried chicken nga naay kanon na gani dala. So his resilience allowed him to continue growing the business despite strong competition. And he also showed strong leadership by investing in employee training, efficient operations, and supply chain systems to ensure gani ang consistent product quality and ang iyahapong service across all branches. So next question. How did Jollibee's focus on Filipino tastes and culture contribute to its competitive advantage over international fast food chains? So, Jollibee's focus on Filipino tastes and culture nga mo'y nakahatag og strong competitive advantage over sa international fast food chains. So, by understanding local preferences, ang Jollibee nag-create sila menu items that appeal directly to Filipino customers ba? Such as sweeter spaghetti, sa kung giingon na ganina, meals served with rice, and affordable value meals. So, tungod ani, nga strategy nila, naka-help siya sa Jollibee gani to build a strong emotional connection with Filipino consumers, making customers prefer Jollibee over foreign brands that did not fully adapt to local tastes. So, third question. Why is strong brand identity important in the success of Jollibee? How did marketing and values-based advertising help the company grow? So, a strong brand identity is important because it helps customers recognize, trust, and remain loyal to a brand. So, ang Jollibee nagtukod og lig-on nga brand pinagi sa pag-promote sa Filipino values sama sa pamilya, kalipay og panahiusa sa ilang advertisements. So, ang mascot ug ang kanang storytelling nga kay usa na sila sa nakatabang sa ilang marketing nga mo'y nakapadag palig-on sa loyalty o pagsalig sa ilang mga customers. So, it helping the company to grow and maintain a strong position in the market. So, next question. In what ways did Jollibee's pricing and product strategy make it accessible to a wide range of customers? So, Jollibee's pricing and product strategy made its product accessible to a wide range of customers by offering affordable prices and value for money meals. So, the company focused on providing sa ilahang pagkaon nga mo'y makapabusog, makapa-satisfy o maka-afford ang mga Filipino consumers. Og tungod ani, bisan unsa na ug tungod ani bisan unsa pa ang income level makakaon gihapon ng mga tao sa Jollibee kay dili ra man kayo siya mahal. Well, para sa ato mahal yung kwarta. So, fifth question. How did Jollibee's international expansion strategy help promote Filipino entrepreneurship globally? So, Jollibee's international expansion strategy helped promote Filipino entrepreneurship by bringing a Filipino-owned brand to the global market. So, una nilang gitarget ang overseas Filipino workers or OFWs. Pinaagi sa paghatag og pagkaon nga mo'y familiar sa ilaha. So, as Jollibee expanded, it also adapted to local tastes in foreign markets. So, this success showed that Filipino businesses can compete internationally and help promote Filipino entrepreneurship worldwide. So, number 6. So, what challenges does Jollibee currently face, and what strategies would you recommend to address these challenges? Jollibee currently faces challenges such as rising operational costs and changing consumer preferences. So, aron masolbat kini nga mga challenges nila, the company should continue innovating its menu, improving operational efficiency, o pag-adapt sa bagong food nila nga trends ba samtang padayon pa ang ilahang Filipino brand identity. O makatabang pud ang technology sa ilaha sa paggamit to reduce costs and meet modern consumer expectations. So, last question. As a future entrepreneur or business manager, what lessons can you apply from Jollibee's success to your own business plans? So, as a future entrepreneur or business manager, I can apply several lessons from Jollibee's success. This include the importance of understanding customers' needs, adapting products to local culture, or sa pag-respeto sa mga customers, building sa strong brand identity, o dapat dili-dali mo undang bisan pa og naay kalisod. So, these lessons can help in creating a sustainable and competitive business in the future. And that's all for today, ma'am. Thank you so much.